Hey guys, it's Uncle True here, and today I'm waiting for a really good package. But in the meantime, while it's arriving, I'm going to be looking to cop some really nice shoes at real.yeezys.org, because, you know, that's where the real shoes come from. So, let's just... Guys, I just found the nicest pair of legit Yeezys for a steal $22.99, dude. This is, oh my gosh. They're the Sply Box Boost 350 V2 men's running shoes, women Kanye West, dude. That's steal go. Someone's at the door. Okay, guys, the package is at the door. Let's see what it is. Oh man, this thing is nice. Oh man. Go check it out. Okay guys, let's go ahead and go through the box. Okay guys, we just got the package inside and we're ready to open it. Well, it looks like there's a screwdriver. I bet it comes premium with everything just to, you know, make it easier to open the package. But the package is already open, so let's go ahead and get it. Oh my gosh, I ordered this a long time ago and it just got here. I pre-ordered this shirt. This is nice, I mean, for real. Olydiez, nice premium leather. This is like a nice, really durable. Put that right there so you guys can see it. I got a hat that'll go right well with my collection that is on the wall. And we got some trash shoes right here. And there's that. We got the receipt right here. It came apart, but there's two of them together. Very big receipt. About $800 for the shirt, $2,000 for the shoes, and then the hat was about $200. But you know, you gotta spend what you gotta spend. We got some poppy stuff. We got the Yeezys. And we got, oh my gosh, these things are garbage. Look at this. Some shoes that are just trash. Can't believe it. Don't even know why I ordered them. Yeah, that's the box. Look at that, guys. It's empty. Great video, guys. We'll see you next time.